You want to break that one too?
Huh? No?
No, we're gonna do it the right way.
We're gonna do it the right way this time.
Nathan's gonna demonstrate correctly now.
WPM. Today we're going to be continuing on the Nova, so we're going to take apart the rear rotors and possibly get to the lines if it's quick and easy. There's been a lot of rust on this car, so it's taking us a little longer than normal, but yeah, if everything comes off easy, we'll be doing the lines and rear rotors today, and then hopefully starting the install on the upgraded brake system. So follow us along for today's adventure. Okay, we're gonna try and get these last little bit of hard lines out of the 66 Nova. I think we've got just the center one there going to the back and this divider for the rear axle. We'll see if we can take these old school air lines out for these shocks. We will be replacing them with just standard shocks. No more air. These ones just leak, so they don't hold anything. It's just better, just for the end user, just having standard shock. We don't need to air it up every once in a while. Yeah, so we'll see how that goes. Hopefully get that out all done, and then still don't know if we're gonna need that parking cable or not, so we'll see. But yeah, just stay tuned as we take this apart, and then we'll be ready for install.
Oh, there we go.
There's the chocolate syrup. Here's the new line, the nice and shiny one. Right there. Nice and shiny, right there. It comes around here. Oh, fit in real nice too. Okay. It all gets all the way to the rear. So that's where it ends. Now you just gotta put the rest of it in.
We did it. We did it. Lo hicimos. We did it.
Okay, now this one. So yeah, today we're gonna hopefully finish up the brakes, and then we will be ready for putting the engine back in and getting this thing out of here. And then you guys will see the next big project. So yeah, stay tuned, keep watching. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe.
Got you. Hell yeah. Bicycle's my best friend. Yes.
Put this car.
Screw those,
Screws.
screw those regular wrenches.
Here's the technical way you're supposed to do it, and then that's the manly way to do it.
Oh.
All right.
All dramatic effect.
Where?
There's a whole fucking spider nest.
What are you going to do? I have to do this one? Oh!
You want to break that one too, dude?
Huh? No?
No, we're gonna do it the right way.
We're gonna do it the right way this time.
Nathan's gonna demonstrate correctly now.
I can't see any light people.
You have 3 lights.
Dude, even there. Yeah, there we go, dude.
Yeah, no.
Oh,
Not enough light.
Thank you.
Not enough studio light, dude. Look, even a Haynes on his phone light, dude. For you.
Oh wow, you probably passed it with that.
I
big
did.
swing.
Which way you turning it, Nate?
The proper way now. Proper way now. Can't see. Still can't see.
You couldn't even just take out the fucking wheel
I
bearing.
lost
I mean, the wheel cylinder, because it's fucking hidden.
That rotor, I mean, that drum looks hella loose already.
it. It is.
I don't think you need to back off anything else.
Where's the hammer?
Beat it off. Get that anger out.
I'm scared for my face.
Face.
No.
Reminiscing of the good days.
No. What the?
It's adjustable.
No, but he had already said it.
I set it to the right.
I used it for something else.
What'd you use it for?
Something
Oh
else.
shit.
This guy don't know how to wrench anymore. It's the Muni way.
I know, he just got back on the floor. And he's all tired and shit every day.
It's okay.
You ever done brakes like this, Nathan?
No.
With bearings and shit?
No.
You never did it at Lexus?
No.
Wow.
There goes the drum, dude. Just
I
lift
never
it.
had to.
What?
I never had to repack a
Fuckers.
bearing or anything.
Nice.
Oh,